A Louisville mother is still searching for answers 8 years after her son was killed outside of a church.
And now a new law may give her a glimpse of hope. WLKY's DeAndrea Turner spoke with her about her search for justice. DeAndrea?
Hi, Jennifer. Well, Delphine Prentice, she's trying to turn her agony into some kind of purpose through this thing. But she also tells me that she feels a hole in her heart every single day because she cannot bring her son back.
The 8 last years, it's like a void in my heart that won't heal.
The necklace Delphine Prentice wears isn't just jewelry. It's a daily reminder of the son she lost and the day her life changed.
No suspects, no motives. The cameras that were out by his house did not really pick up the license tag of the car.
On April 8th, 2017, surveillance cameras captured what happened on Cypress Street. 38-year-old Damian Morton had been shot and crashed into parked cars outside the Church of Truth. He died 3 days later at University Hospital.
So I had to sit at the hospital bed with him, knowing that there was nothing that I could do to help my child.
8 years later, she still has to live with the question of who did it.
And knowing that my son will never be coming back on this side, it's very hurtful. And it's a challenge to get up each and every day knowing that your child is gone and somebody took his life.
Last year, Delphine joined other mothers with the ACE Project, pushing for a law to let police hire retired detectives to work cold cases. LMPD has since brought on 1 retired officer, expanding the cold case unit to 3 investigators.
I'm glad that the state has now formalized, but it's something we have been doing for years, and we do have a retired detective that has come back in a civilian role.
Delphine hopes as the time goes on, someone will come forward with answers.
That's why I keep coming forward as much as I can, that maybe somebody say, oh, I remember that, and they may speak out.
And you guys, the cold case investigators who walk through these doors every single day, they have more than 700 cases they're investigating dating back to 1963. So if you have any information about this case or any other case, you're encouraged to call the LMPD anonymous tip line. For now at LMPD headquarters, DeAndrea Turner, WLKY News.
Please.